Ladies and gentlemen, good day. If you're looking to reply all messages with the original attachments in Outlook automatically, this is how you go about it. Let's jump straight in. The first thing you want to do is jump into Outlook, and I'm using the desktop app. The settings will be much the same when you are using the browser version. So you're going to navigate now to the top left hand side, and you can see File, and you can tap on that. And we're going to go all the way to the bottom of the page on the left hand side, and we're going to look for options. Now once you're in options, you have a whole list over here, and you're actually going to be looking for mail. Once you're in mail, you can scroll down all of these options, and you can see that there's a heading called replies and forwards. So over here you can see it says when replying to a message, and there is a box where we can use the drop down arrow, and there's some options here. So what you want to make sure is that it is on attach original message. Now this will basically not include just the message text, but it'll include all of the attachments in the original message, and now when you reply, it'll be with the attachment. So you can just tap on OK on the bottom of that window, and here is an email that I would like to reply all. You can just go ahead here and you can send it, and when it is sent, it will in fact be with all the original attachments. If you enjoyed this video, drop us a like. We'll see you next time. Cheers.